In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 profitable businesses you can start without money. So stay tuned and watch this video to the very end, because number 5 is going to blow your mind and going to expose you to opportunity you never knew existed around you that you can take advantage of right now. Business number 1 I want to talk to you about is freelancing. This is very important. A lot of people are not aware that in the comfort of their home, they can create an empire, they can build a business empire that will sustain them for living for life. Freelancing is all about you being vast, you being skillful on how social media work. It's a very profitable business you can start, and all you need to start, they are around you. I'm talking about your phone and your computer. And what is that all about? It's about video editing, photo editing, virtual assistants, website designing, page management. There are a lot of people that are struggling in this regard. I'm talking about organization, individual who have content they created, but they need somebody who is going to edit it for them so that they can use it for whatever they want to use it for. So if you have your phone, start right now. Business number 2 is content creation. People are around you, or we heard of people around us who are already making massive income through social media. I'm talking about platforms like YouTube, platforms like Facebook, platforms like TikTok, and the rest of all of that. But all you need is to create content in your niche. Niche means that which you are vast in, which you have knowledge in, which you have skill in. You create content that surrounds your skill, then drop it on this channel. And the beautiful thing about it is that you can make one content, put it on YouTube, put it on Facebook, put it on TikTok, and the rest of other platforms that you know. So content creation is a small business you can do in the comfort of your home. So if you want to know more on how content creation works, drop your question in the comment section below. Business number 3 I think you need to know is service-based business. I'm talking about business like cleaning, dog walking, junk removal, and the rest of all of that. You see, these are opportunities that can create fortunes for you. So many times people commonize this kind of areas. So consider this aspect, render service. Business number 4 you can think of without money is flipping and reselling. That means people have a lot of valuables in their homes they are not using. I'm talking about things like your car, your jewelries, your clothes, your shoes, whatever it is, your electronics in the house. Some people have some of this piled up in their house. They are not making any use of it. So you can sell it. You can put them on platforms like Jumia, Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Gigi, OfferUp, anything whatsoever. It could be your phone, your wristwatch, your clothes. You can sell it. People need these things. Now, the last one, which is the most important one I needed to know, the reason I asked you to stay in this video, to stay and watch the video to the end, is for you to listen to this. The last business I want to talk about is tutoring and coaching. This is very important, and I need you to listen to me right now. You see, we human beings, we are gifted in one area or the other. That which you know, somebody else needs knowledge somewhere. That which you know, somebody else does not know it. So that person needs your help. You need your help. It could be in your professional area. Maybe you are vast in the use of arithmetic or algebra. People need it. You can set up your platform where you can teach people, where you can coach people about mathematics. Are you a doctor? You can set up a platform where you can reach out to people like Zoom. People can be consulting you, teach them some medical stuff. It could be about car repairs. It could be how to be crafty in some areas. It could be about building, whatever the case may be. So why I consider this very important, you do it at the comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need money to start. All you need is your phone. And you can develop that and do it and be consistent. Over time, you're going to realize that this is a profitable business that you could have started a long time ago, but only that you recognize it. So these are businesses that are around, probably were not aware in the past. So right now, after listening to this video, so you need to act upon the knowledge you are receiving and start up one. You can do it. Most time, people are so narrowed about always going out to look for a job, looking for a job, but their works are around us, because there's a difference between job and work. What people are seeking for every day is job instead of them to look for work. So if you look for work, you see work. all around you, then start up one, and that is a business. And that is how most successful people in the world today have been able to start up small and grow that business into something big. So act upon the ideas you have received in this video and start right away. I hope this video blesses you. I need to stay blessed by the best, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.